Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are one of my return subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for your continued support. And today I am joining three beautiful ladies in their Tablescape Tuesday. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. And they have a co-host joining them this week. Her name is Divine Inspirations by Martha. And this week is in celebration of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. It's Anna's birthday. Happy birthday, Anna. And they have asked us to do a tablescape with gold and white. So I'm going to leave a link below in the description box of all the ladies' channels. Please go over and check out their channels and also check out the playlist. And if you want to see what I have created for the golden white tablescape, just keep watching. Okay, so this tablescape is a Shop My Home tablescape. I have all the items except for one item, and that is those beautiful gold flowers in the centerpiece from Home Goods. I purchased those last week. And I have a white tablescape, damaged tablescape. On top of that, I have a gold runner. All four place settings are all alike. I shop my home with that, and I did change up the chargers on the head. That is it. Everything else I have from home. With the place settings, I have the chargers came from Goodwill. I have some placemats, and I don't know where the white placemats came from right now because the tag is off of them. But then I'm using a Dollar Tree plate with the gold rim around it, and also my favorite gold and white plates that I purchased from my favorite Wegmans that you hear me talk so much about. And then I am using my gold and white polka dot napkins and gold DIY napkin rings with those. And I purchased the fan. I had the fans. One of them was the gold and white one was brand new, and the two white ones, I already had those. I love fans, and it just brought it all together, and I'm very pleased with it. So at this time, I would like to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures and their guest host, Divine Inspiration by Martha, for hosting this collaboration. Thank you, ladies. So if you like this type of content and you would like to see more of it, please hit that subscribe button. Join Lady P's Inspired Home. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell that you be notified of all the uploads as they come out. I want to thank you all for watching. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye-bye. I see you all on the next video.